Baltimore's Museum of Industry, the Mining and Science Museum. Industrial equipment. One time, this was the heartland of how to make America great from absolutely from the very earth upwards. It's beautiful, right? Hello. Oyster cannery. Hands-on fun. Cars and trucks, exhibits, machines and tools. But you have to pay. Museum of Mining and Technology. The heartland of America's thriving future. Then. But it's all changed. Wow. The milk van. Bethlehem crane over there. Wow, look at all this stuff. Industrial prowess. One time in the American land, right? Wow. Look behind me, the museum, Baltimore Museum of Industry. What happened to it all? What happened to industry? Wow. Cool, folks. Look at that. The industry is still going. The mighty industries of the United States. It's a whole little thing mounted as a piece of art. It's a lamppost and floating, mooring, caterpillar tracks, spindles and crane booms and gears and ball mills and max steel crane and donut flang. The crusher, the donut flangs and crushers, all sorts of pieces been put into place to make a little piece of art. Nice. That's a nice little bell, right? So this would have been a nice little market space. Look at the old days. Wow. What a beautiful setup, folks. And the Liberty Bell. No, a bell. A steel bell. shipyard. Oh, free. Land of free, folks. Land of free. It's called America. The freedom only becomes yours when you're responsible and conscious, and your actions are beneficial to the humanity. Not your ideas, but your actions that are truly important for the well-being and the benefit of humanity's progress, and more importantly, for its peace. History is all around you.